Boy 1. Good morning. How are you doing today? Boy 2. Good morning. I am doing well. Thank you. How about you? Boy 1. I am doing pretty well. What did you do over the weekend? Boy 2. I went on a hike with my family and enjoyed the beautiful weather. How about you? Boy 1. That sounds like fun. I just stayed home and relaxed a bit. Do you have any plans for this weekend? Boy 2. I was thinking of maybe going to the beach or having a barbecue. How about you? Boy 1. I haven't decided yet, but I might go to the movies or visit some friends. What kind of music do you like? Boy 2. I like a variety of music, but my favorite is probably classic rock. What about you? Boy 1. I'm into pop music mostly, but I also like some jazz and hip hop. Do you play any musical instrument? Boy 2. I used to play guitar when I was younger, but I haven't played in a while. What about you? Boy 1. I play the piano a little bit, but not very well. I just enjoy it as a hobby. Boy 2. That's great. It's always good to have a hobby.